Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got a game-changing product to review that's going to revolutionize the way you cook. Introducing the 22cm Air Fryer's Oven Baking Tray Fried Chicken Basket Mat Air Fryer Silicone Pot Square Replacement Grill Pan Accessories Tool. This product is a must-have for anyone who loves to cook healthy and delicious meals. With its durable and high-quality silicone material, this air fryer accessory is perfect for making crispy and mouth-watering dishes without all the extra oil and grease. Whether you're cooking fried chicken, baking pastries, or grilling vegetables, this accessory has got you covered. The 22cm Air Fryer's Oven Baking Tray Fried Chicken Basket Mat Air Fryer Silicone Pot Square Replacement Grill Pan is designed to fit perfectly in most air fryer ovens, and it's super easy to clean. No more scrubbing and scraping for hours, simply pop it in the dishwasher and you're good to go. But the best part? It's versatile and can be used in a variety of cooking methods, making it a true all-in-one kitchen accessory. Say goodbye to cluttered cabinets and hello to the ultimate cooking tool. So, if you're ready to take your cooking to the next level and elevate your meals, be sure to click the link in the description to get your hands on the 22cm Air Fryer's Oven Baking Tray Fried Chicken Basket Mat Air Fryer Silicone Pot Square Replacement Grill Pan. Don't miss out on this game-changing accessory, your taste buds will thank you. And as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all the latest and greatest kitchen gadgets we review. Thanks for watching.